Ethereum ETFs bleed amid $301 million BTC inflow, yet whales buy more ETH. Here's why. Bitcoin, Blackrock, ETFs, Ethereum, Fidelity, journalist, Hassan Shittu, journalist, Hassan Shittu, about author, Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied, last updated 13 hours ago. Spot Bitcoin ETFs returned to strong inflows this week, even as Ethereum funds faced sharp withdrawals, showing a shifting dynamic between the two largest cryptocurrencies. According to data from SoSoValue, Bitcoin spot ETFs posted a net inflow of $301.3 million on September 3rd, while Ethereum products shed $135.3 million. Bitcoin ETFs surge while Ethereum ETFs reverse August momentum. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, IBIT, led the charge with $289.8 million in fresh inflows, bringing its assets under management to $58.6 billion. Grayscale's Bitcoin Mini Trust followed with $28.8 million, while ARK Invest and 21Shares ARKB logged the day's steepest outflow at $27.9 million. Across the sector, Bitcoin ETFs now hold a combined $145.2 billion in assets, equal to 6.5% of Bitcoin's market capitalization, with cumulative inflows reaching $54.8 billion. Among Ethereum ETFs, daily net outflows were led by BlackRock's flagship ETH fund, which shed $151.9 million. This was followed by Fidelity's FETH, which added $65.8 million, and Grayscale's lower-fee Mini Trust, which attracted $62.5 million. Bitwise logged $20.8 million in fresh inflows, while other issuers such as VanEck, Franklin Templeton, 21Shares, and Invesco saw no major changes. Despite the setback, cumulative inflows across all Ethereum ETFs remain positive at $13.34 billion, with BlackRock accounting for about $13 billion of that total. The surge reverses a trend from August, when Ethereum funds dominated activity. ETH products attracted $3.87 billion in inflows last month compared with $751 million in Bitcoin outflows. Trading volumes showed the divergence, with Ethereum ETF activity jumping to $58.3 billion in August, nearly double July's total, while Bitcoin volumes slipped to $78.1 billion. Ethereum also posted a new all-time high of $4,953 in August, supported by corporate treasuries holding a combined $119.6 billion of ETH by the end of the month. But September is telling a different story. On August 29th, Ethereum ETFs logged $164.6 million in outflows, breaking a 5-day inflow streak that had added $1.5 billion. Cumulative inflows remain positive at $13.34 billion, almost entirely concentrated in BlackRock's ETH, which accounts for $13.1 billion. Analysts note Ethereum historically struggles in September, citing $46.5 million in ETF outflows during the same month in 2024. Bitcoin, by contrast, gained $1.26 billion that September, benefiting from risk-off positioning. Whales scoop up $620 million in Ether as institutions boost exposure. Despite the latest ETF withdrawals, whale and institutional activity suggest a sustained appetite for Ether. Last week, 9 large addresses purchased $456.8 million worth of ETH, with 5 wallets receiving transfers from custodian BitGo and others acquiring coins through Galaxy Digital. Chain data added that newly created wallets accumulated another 35,948 ETH, worth $164 million, within 8 hours, with tokens sourced from FalconX and Galaxy Digital. Institutions are also active. Bitmine received 14,665 ETH worth $65.3 million from Galaxy Digital, while 3 wallets received 65,662 ETH, valued at $293 million, from FalconX. Meanwhile, BlackRock deposited 33,884 ETH, worth $148.6 million, into Coinbase Prime. The activity follows reports that the firm sold $151.4 million in ETH while doubling its Bitcoin purchases, illustrating shifting allocations between the two assets. Ethereum's relative strength adds context. Over the past month, Ether has gained 18.5%, while Bitcoin has slipped 6.4%. ETH now trades 6.7% below its record high, while Bitcoin remains more than 10% off its $124,500 all-time high earlier this year. Analysts pointed out that some long-term Bitcoin holders are taking profits. A whale who bought BTC in 2013 at $332 recently moved 750 coins, worth $83.3 million, to Binance. On-chain watchers suggested the funds could rotate into Ethereum, echoing earlier transactions where whales sold Bitcoin to buy Ether. One such trade this month saw 670 BTC, worth $76 million, converted into 68,130 ETH valued at $295 million. Another long-dormant address withdrew 6,334 ETH, worth $28 million, from Kraken after years of inactivity. Bitcoin consolidates as Binance futures volume hits $2.6 trillion. Bitcoin, BTC, is trading at $110,778, down 0.7% in the past 24 hours and 1.9% over the week. The asset remains 10.5% below its $124,500 all-time high. Notably, over the weekend, BTC dropped to $107,400, its lowest level in 7 weeks, before rebounding to $112,000. Glassnode data shows the correction cooled the euphoric phase that began in mid-August, when 100% of Bitcoin supply was in profit. Sustaining such conditions typically requires strong inflows, which faded by late August. Currently, 90% of supply remains in profit, within the $104,100 to $114,300 cost basis range. Glassnode noted that a break below $104,100 could trigger another post-ADH drawdown, while a recovery above $114,300 would indicate renewed demand. Short-term holders saw profits collapse from above 90% to just 42% during the decline. While the rebound restored profitability to over 60% of their supply, analysts warned that the recovery is fragile. Glassnode said only a move above $114,000 to $116,000, where 75% of short-term holders would be in profit, could restore confidence for a fresh rally. Resistance remains heavy in the $111,700 to $115,500 zone, which aligns with the 50-day and 100-day simple moving averages. BTC has been consolidating below its previous local range and has failed to retake it, trader Don Crypto Trades noted on X, adding that the $107,000 monthly low may not hold if selling pressure intensifies. Source: Don Crypto Trades. Meanwhile, Binance futures trading surged to a record $2.62 trillion in August, up from $2.55 trillion in July, according to CryptoQuant. The spike reflects heightened volatility, increased hedge fund and institutional participation, and rising open interest. Analysts cautioned that while strong derivatives activity indicates liquidity, futures-driven momentum without stable spot inflows often precedes sharp corrections. For now, Bitcoin remains range-bound, with bulls needing to reclaim $114,000 to confirm a stronger recovery. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. New ChatGPT AI predicts the price of XRP, Avalanche and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana and Pepe by the end of 2025. Perplexity AI predicts the price of XRP, World Liberty Financial and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. Why is crypto down today? September 4th, 2025 XRP price prediction. Gaming giant expands to XRP ledger. Shocking move to $10 starting now. Press releases. Token 6900 is live and could be the next SPX 6900. Industry talk. Live crypto news today. Latest updates for September 4th, 2025. Bitcoin steadies at $112,000. ETH tops $4,400 as traders brace for September slump. 1 day ago. By Jai Pratap. Price analysis. Cardano price prediction. Midnight's night token airdrop starts now. Are you eligible for the biggest free crypto of 2025? 2 days ago. By Alejandro Arich. Best crypto to buy now in September 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 1 day ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in September 2025. Top new crypto coins. 16 minutes ago. By Inesis Tavares. 11 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 21 minutes ago. By Alan Draper. 14 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in September 2025. 11 minutes ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 14 minutes ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 9 minutes ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 2 hours ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. 6 days ago. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2nd, 2025. By Ben Beto.